A company is using a fine-tuned Azure AI Foundry model and needs to implement an application lifecycle management workflow to handle frequent updates from new user feedback. The requirements mandate that training data modifications must be tracked and versioned, and that models must be retrained using strictly approved datasets. Which two actions are essential for this design? Option A, link the specific storage path to the fine-tuning operation. Option B, configure a content moderation filter. Option C, house the training information within Azure files. Option D, add training data to the internal Foundry data registry. Option E, use Azure Blob Storage with version control active for all training data. Okay, let's break this down. The problem statement outlines several key requirements. We need to implement an application lifecycle management workflow to handle frequent updates from new user feedback. The requirements mandate that training data modifications must be tracked and versioned, and that models must be retrained using strictly approved datasets. So, which two actions are essential for this design? Option A, link the specific storage path to the fine-tuning operation. Linking the specific storage path to the fine-tuning operation would be great for individual training sessions, but it doesn't address the broader issue of version control for all training data. Option B, configure a content model.
This question focuses on application lifecycle management for machine learning models within Azure AI Foundry. When dealing with frequent model updates driven by user feedback, tracking training data becomes critical. You must ensure every modification is recorded and that training uses strictly verified and approved datasets. The core challenge is establishing robust data governance, version control, and reproducibility in your machine learning pipelines.
In my view, the correct answers are option A and option E. To establish a robust application lifecycle management process for fine-tuning models, data versioning and traceability are critical. Storing the training data in Azure Blob Storage with version control enabled ensures that every change in the dataset is tracked, creating a permanent record of the input data used at any specific point in time.
Associating the specific storage location of that versioned data to the fine-tuning job ensures that the training pipeline is reproducible and consistent, fulfilling the requirement to retrain using approved datasets. Other options, like creating a content filter, are unrelated to ALM versioning requirements, and generic file uploads lack the built-in versioning capabilities necessary for rigorous AI governance.